Good morning, judges and everyone. My name is Liu Shanlong, and this is my lecturer, Dr. Sulyadi Hidaus. And our presentation title today will be Analyzing and Predicting Workers' Attrition and Illustrate Important Patterns and Relationship Between Turnover Factors by CRT and LR. Today, I am honored to present our research on employee attrition, the natural occurrence of employee leaving an organization, often through resignation. So, when departures outpace new hires, it can disrupt operations, making the assessment of attrition rate crucial for measuring organizational progress. So there are four types of attrition. First, voluntary attrition, which is employee opt to leave. Involuntary attrition, which is initiated by the company. External attrition, which is moving to others' organization. And internal attrition, which is transfer within the company, like promotions. So managing attrition is crucial since the company invests in hiring and training. We can calculate the attrition rate by dividing the number of employee exit by the average number of employees in a specific period. In the realm of artificial intelligence (AI), machine learning assumes a pivotal role, particularly in predicting the employee attrition. And this is our research objective, which are identify the key factors that contribute to workers' attrition, build a predictive model that can predict the likelihood of employee attrition, evaluate the performance of CRT compared to LR by performance metrics. Among our research, the dataset is obtained from Kaggle and it consists of 1,470 employees recorded and 35 features generated by IBM data scientists. And this dataset facilitates in-depth analysis of factors contributing to employee attrition in organizational setting. So for the overview of the dataset, is no missing data and is clean data for EDA, which is exploratory data analysis. And we split off the dataset in 70% of training and 30% of testing. So the first method we use is CRT, which is use the Gini index to measure the impurity and select the best split during tree construction, and it evaluates the different split and select the one that minimizes Gini impurity, ensuring more homogeneous child node. While for the logistic regression LR predict binary outcomes such as yes, no, fail, pass by applying a linear combination of input variables. It used the sigmoid function to convert this combination into probability, giving the likelihood between 0 and 1 for the outcome. So this is the evaluation matrix that we use for our research. Well, for the result, we can see that majority employee tend to stay compared to the employee opt to leave. And the younger employee exhibit a higher likelihood of leaving the company compared to the older workers, while work-related travel correspond to increased attrition, suggesting a potential link between travel and higher employee turnover. And gender appears to have minimal influence on attrition rates. However, being single and substantial over work time stands out as noteworthy factors deserving careful consideration in understanding attrition. Let's look at monthly income versus total working years. So, among the 1,470 respondents, we can see that significantly salary increase after they work 20 years. And majority workers are between $10,000 and 20 years. And this is a lower attrition rate when it's the salary above $10,000. So, this is a key feature by CRT. The Gini score reflects the feature's importance in decision tree. The higher the Gini score indicate more significant roles in decision making. So we can say that over time may emerge as the most influential features and noteworthy importance offers in job role, monthly income, job level, and years at company. So for the model performance, the comparative performance analysis among the applied machine learning is examined in the table. The analysts demonstrate that CRT has a lower accuracy compared to LR for both train and test model. The LR achieved the highest accuracy of 86.7% for the testing model and dataset. So for the table below, we can find that LR have a better model compared to CRT in predicting employee attrition due to LR has a higher AUC precision, F1 score, and also recall with 75.1%, 85.3%, 85.7%, and also 86.7% respectively. So this is the ROC curve analysis. So we can see that logistic regression outperforms CRT with higher ROC and AUC value, while LR green curve surpassed the CRT orange curve, this indicating the superior classification performance. For the conclusion, we can say that LR outperforms CRT with higher accuracy, AUC, precision, F1 score, and also recall, while LR is more suitable for predicting employee attrition than CRT, but we suggest that the potential for combining strengths of both models for superior result. And for our objective, we have successfully identified the attrition factors and built a predictive model. So this is a contribution for society and entrepreneur. And this is our future planning. We believe that the model that we created can be used at any time and applicable to any type of company. And the model that we created can directly correct the probability of an employee leaving and the main reason for their resignation. So this is the applicability of our research. It is that the useful in solving problem country and global problem. And this is the intellectual property for our research. And this is an industrial collaborator thanks to the EQ Global Pte Ltd Singapore. And also the publication, which is a proof of our research published in UTHM. Thank you for your time till now and appreciate your attention till now. That's all for our presentation. Thank you and have a nice day.